Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the engine air filter in a Nissan Rogue. First, gather your new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a black plastic box on the passenger side. Before you begin, make absolutely sure your engine is turned off and has had plenty of time to cool down for safety. Now let's get that housing open. You'll see several metal clips around the perimeter of the airbox. Unclip all of these, then gently lift the top half of the housing. You might need to wiggle it a bit to free it. Once open, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to notice its orientation. The new one will go in the same way. Before installing the new filter, quickly wipe out any leaves or debris from inside the airbox. Now, take your fresh air filter and carefully slide it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and correctly oriented, just like the old one. This ensures a proper seal and optimal filtration for your engine. It should fit snugly without forcing it. Finally, carefully lower the top half of the airbox back into place, ensuring all the tabs align. Reattach all the metal clips securely around the housing. Give them a good push to make sure they're locked. This simple maintenance improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. Start your engine to confirm everything sounds normal. Also, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.